So everyone keeps asking, coolant filters. After I posted that photo of what's inside a coolant filter a little while ago, everyone's wanting to know how to do one of these. So for me, I mount them on the rad core support on the passenger side. That's the area that has the most space. And for plumbing reasons, that's going to be the most convenient spot. Your source, if you are a standard transmission truck, is right down there. You can see him behind the alternator. I removed the plug that was in there and I threaded in a hose barb, and that now feeds into here. I've got shutoffs on either side of this filter, so I can just shut this off and remove my coolant filter and then open them back up, and then I won't have a section in all this coolant pouring out. For the return line, that's a little bit more difficult. That is really hard to see here. That's down in behind. So let me create part 2 of this video and I'll show you where that goes. So this is the passenger side of your engine. This is normally where your oil filter assembly would sit, and this is what we're going to be tying into. On an automatic transmission truck, this is actually the port where your transmission cooler, which would be sitting in this area, is actually going to return water back into the main jacket. If you are a standard transmission truck, you just need to literally order this one part. You can unthread it. They're still new available from Cummins, and you thread right into there, and you can now have a return. If you are still running an automatic, then you have to, unfortunately, tee into one of these, either into here or into somewhere else. You can also get a multi-direction tee here from a hydraulic shop, and you, again, still have to return it back into this water jacket. Why do we want to have coolant filters? This is a great example. This is supposed to be your engine block heater, and as you can see here, it's rotted right through, which means all the pieces are floating around inside your coolant system. So let's get down to the filter now. So you have your standard Cummins oil filter, you have your fuel filter, but then you have a water filter. So this is the number that I run. So you'll notice it says 2 units. What does that mean? Inside here, there's actually little pellets, and the pellets are designed to maintain the pH level of your coolant. So you can get these units with 2 units, 4 units, 10 units, all depends on the fluid capacity of your cooling system. So in the case of our trucks, for the 5.9 Cummins, we don't need more than 2 units. If you start getting too much of that, it'll actually be harmful to your engine. So you want to maintain somewhere around 2, and that'll maintain the pH so it doesn't become acidic, so it maintains proper balance and prevents rust from inside your engine. It's pretty straightforward. Obviously these thread on here. For me, I date them all the time, so I know when the last time I did my coolant change or my fluid change. In this case, that filter is going to be coming off here in about 15 minutes. And then this new one here that's in my hands will go on.